The History of Washing Machines by Mackenzie Kilroy. I chose to do the history of washing machines because they're an appliance which nearly all of us rely on to make our lives easier. Before washing machines, people cleaned their clothes by pounding them on rocks or rubbing them with sand in streams or lakes. The first mechanism to help with washing clothes was the washing board, invented in 1797. 19th century washboards often had wood ridges, but by the 20th century, the ridges were mostly made of metal. In 1851, an American, James King, patented the first washing machine to use a drum. The drum would be filled with hot soapy water and clothes, which made King's machine more closely resemble a modern machine, but it was still hand-powered. In 1858, Hamilton Smith patented the rotary washing machine. The rotary washing machine was basically the same as James King's washing machine, as in it was an hand-powered drum, but it was the first washing machine to include a clothes wringer, which greatly sped up drying clothes. The Thor was the first electric-powered washing machine. It was introduced in 1908 by the Hurley Machine Company of Chicago, Illinois, invented by Alva J. Fisher. The Thor also used a drum to wash its clothes. It had the option to run on electricity or gas because not all people had electricity yet. Starting in the 1920s, white enameled sheet metal replaced the copper tub and angled iron legs of older washing machines. But by the early 1940s, enameled steel was used and sold as being more sanitary, easier to clean, and longer lasting than past finishes. The next development of the washing machine was the fitting of a clock timing device, which allowed the machine to be set to operate for a predetermined length of wash cycle. Now the operator no longer needed to constantly monitor its action. Also in the 1950s, many American manufacturers began to build machines with a spin drive feature to replace the wringer, which often removed buttons or could cause injury. In 1998, Fisher & Paykel introduced its Smart Drive washing machine line in the U.S. This washing machine used a computer-controlled system to determine certain factors such as load size and automatically adjust the wash cycle to match. Washing machines have continued to improve and become faster, safer, and more efficient. More features and varieties of cycles have been added to fit specific properties of clothing. We still use features like the Smart Drive today. In the future, washing machines could go back to human power. There are companies already coming out with bike-powered or treadmill-powered washing machines.